Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to explain to you how what is Shopify and basically give you explanation for you as a beginner. Now let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to read you through an article showing what Shopify is and how it works. So basically, Shopify is an e-commerce online service that allows you to set up an online store to sell your goods. Shopify handles everything from marketing and payments to secure checkout and payments, so you can focus on the things you love. Shopify is a truly amazing one-stop shop for e-commerce business owners, because who doesn't want a single interface to organize all the moving pieces of their business? Now I'm going to skip to how much does Shopify cost? So basically, Lite is $9 per month. Basic Shopify $29 per month. Shopify is 79, and advanced is 300 per month. Now, obviously, for each and every single one of these, you get different features and different advantages. So when you are going to choose what you want, I recommend that you look to what you get. It's going to be shown on their website, so I don't have to basically tell you again right now. What can you sell on Shopify? Honestly, you can sell anything and everything under the sun on Shopify. Uh, Obviously, you can't sell illegal things, or basically if it gives off the vibe of black market, then you probably can't sell it on Shopify. But as long as it's something legal, you will be able to sell it. Shopify tutorial: getting started with Shopify. You are going to have to log in, set up an online account, choose a Shopify storefront theme. Then you can add your products, set up your payments, basically multiple payments methods as you like. There's a small fee that they take when you receive a payment, and then you can go live. And those are, I consider those are the basics in my opinion. I'll also link you this article so you can read it more in depth in order to find out more about Shopify and how it works, because I only read you a small part of it, and there's a lot that you can learn about it, which I didn't show you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.